In the wake of reported disruptions during political gatherings hosted by the National People's Party at Umsning and Jaiaw, Shillong, the returning officer of the 1 Shillong Lok Sabha Parliamentary Constituency has summoned the president of the Voice of the People Party, Ardent Miller Basaiawmoit, to provide explanation by the 12th of April 2024 regarding potential violations of the Model Code of Conduct. Furthermore, a separate notice has been issued to the VPP president concerning allegations of spreading misinformation through media channels against NPP MP candidate Dr. M. Amprin Lingdor. The VPP president is required to address these allegations by the 11th of April 2024 before the returning officer.